If you have a business in IT or software, you will know that as we step more and more into 2025, AI continues to influence the way we code and develop software. And today, I want to give you my top 5 best AI coding tools to help your developers and coders to work more efficiently and provide better outputs in shorter time. Now, this is not to replace anyone, this is just to help your developers do their job better and faster. Let's jump in. The first tool is GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is now available totally for free. It is an open source model and is able to provide your developers with advanced code suggestions. And by the way, none of this is sponsored. I don't get money from any of this in any way. This is honestly just the tools I've tested and found out to be the best. So back to GitHub Copilot. So it is available for free now, it is open source, and it helps with advanced code suggestions. As well, GitHub Copilot integrates with GPT-4o, GPT-o1 Preview, and GPT-o3, I believe, and Claude 3.5 Sonnet. And all of these models help you to interact with the code itself for easy debugging or to test use cases. The second tool is Tab9 Pro. And Tab9 Pro is an application that focuses on team-based coding. So lifetime, everyone on the project coding together with AI support as well. Because this AI provides real-time coding suggestions, even advanced ones, and learns from the code you write to show consistency throughout projects. So you can have not only one project, but build multiple projects, and it will learn from each of these to have a consistency in all of your codes. The third one is Code Whisper by AWS. If you or your developers are working within the AWS ecosystem and are coding with AWS, then this tool is designed for them. If coding in AWS, it helps with real-time code suggestions to the AWS coding system. A lot of AWS, I just said, a lot more than I expected to, and this is everything for this fairly short tool. The fourth one is Replit. And Replit is not just only a coding tool itself, less or so, but more it is a tool to learn code. So let's say you're a smaller business and you just have one coder, maybe two, or you do it yourself, then Replit can help you learn more languages. It has, as I last checked, a base of over 50 languages that you can learn with Replit. It helps to make this thing more playfully, and as well it has team-based coding, so you can learn it with a team as well, or have your team learn a new language together. And last but not least, the fifth tool on this list is IntelliCode by Microsoft. And IntelliCode by Microsoft is based on GPT-4, I believe as well. It learns from your code base, so to actually adapt the coding style of the coder. It suggests relevant solutions throughout all of the code. And really, IntelliCode by Microsoft is the perfect tool for large projects. So for your software, if you want to develop your software or entire systems, then IntelliCode by Microsoft is typically the way to go. But obviously, I don't know in which coding tool you're coding, but I believe it has applications as well in VS Code and some others as well. You can search in the applications for IntelliCode by Microsoft, and hopefully you will find it. If not, you'll probably find other ones as well. A lot of these I had on this list have applications in providers like VS Code as well. Okay, that's supposed to be it with this fairly short video. 5 quick tools that you can test and implement or suggest to your team so they can see which one they can make use of. Depending on how this video performs, I will probably do another one on this topic in the future as well, and then go a bit deeper into some bigger models and how to code in ChatGPT or Claude, for example. They are not as bad as you believe. Okay, well that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're interested in this whole topic of AI for coding and business companies, and if you're then this video here is exactly what you need right now. We'll see you there, and until then, goodbye.